Om Namah Shivaya.
This was my second experience, second journey, I can say, coming to Kashi. This was not at all like the experience I had when I came last time. It was a sudden plan for me to come to Kashi. I had a week of holiday, and all that came to my mind was to travel to Kashi. And the only person that came to my parents' mind was you, traveling with you. So
even this opportunity came to me very suddenly. So I would firstly like to thank my uncle for making this possible for me. When this opportunity came to me, I didn't think twice to say yes. So once I said yes, at first when we came to Kashi, we were a bit hesitant about what was happening, because this was very new to me, because this is the first time that I came to Kashi. It took a few hours, or it took about one day to get adjusted to what was happening. But once I started getting free and actually started experiencing what Om Mahashakti were trying to make us feel, I think I felt really good. So irrespective of whether or not we are religious or spiritual, I think that all people, especially people of our age, should experience Kashi like this, like how Om Mahashakti is wanting to make us feel through this journey.
coming to Kashi without a team like Om Mahashakti will make you more experience less of the things which is there in Kashi. Coming with Om Mahashakti team was so different, because by the end of the trip I could understand how to feel or how to feel when we enter a temple, how to understand what the murti of each god depicts, and without what the team members of Om Mahashakti told about the different knowledge or different teachings of different temples, without it we couldn't have completely felt the essence of Kashi. And all the guides like Maurya ji or Ankit ji, they showed us, they taught us many things which we couldn't have experienced if we came alone with our family. And even all the accommodations, all the facilities which were given by the team was amazing. And what about your experience?
Like you said, Jainji kept on telling us that if you want to roam the world, or if you want to explore the world, you need to come to Bharat. And if you want to roam entire Bharat, you need to visit Kashi. I think he was absolutely right. We went through many experiences here. Firstly, on the first day, we sort of only traveled through land. We saw Kashi through the ghats. We went from the city to the ghats, walked into all the gullies and saw how people lived over there. So that was one view of Kashi. And the next day we went through river Ganga. We did the boat ride, and in that I think we saw an entirely different Kashi from the outside and the inside, and both the experiences were really nice. At times, when throughout the tour, there were times when we got tired or when we got exhausted, but as and when we went to temples and just sat there, closed our eyes and tried to observe our surroundings, we felt a lot of peace coming to us. And then after that, we were cheerful, and there was an energy inside us that made everything happy. So
we realized that just by sitting inside the temple, closing your eyes could make such a difference, because the day we went to Vishwanath temple, we went during evening or something, and before that we were so tired, and right after the darshana of the god we just sat near a plain area over there, and we closed our eyes, and it was like 5 minutes. We woke up, we opened our eyes, and it was just so peaceful, and we literally felt so energized. And only after that that we believe that something does happen when you understand about it, take some time to feel it. So
Yeah. And then there's Ganga Aarti that no matter how much we describe it, it will always be short of words. It was a whole new experience, and I think we both are very lucky to get this opportunity to sit up front and witness it. So
the last time I came to Kashi, when we had to attend the Ganga Aarti, my family and I, we were sitting somewhere far away from the Aarti which was taking place, and we were on a board just looking through the screen. This time, because of Maurya ji, we were able to sit near the Ganga Aarti, do the puja by ourselves, and it was a whole new other experience. And I believe that without this organization, I couldn't have even experienced even 5% of what I had experienced in this trip. It was truly amazing. It was truly eye-opening.
not everybody gets this opportunity to come visit Kashi, especially for people of our age. So I think if any such opportunity knocks your door, please say yes to it without hesitating or looking or thinking or getting any second thought about it. Parents might not initially be willing to send children alone on this journey, but I think we need to take a step forward and also tell them to have confidence in us so that we can experience what we both experienced in this yatra, like Jane ji would tell.
And this is not something which you can understand by looking in like internet about what others say about Kashi. You can only experience it. You can only understand the true feeling what we feel by coming here, visiting the Kashi, looking deep inside, roaming Kashi, and it is more like only you can understand what we are telling when you come here. And the best way you can feel it is through Om Mahashakti organization, because they made this journey so easy, so special for us, that I think you can not something which you cannot feel or experience when you come alone by yourselves.
Adding to her points, this trip or yatra was a first timer for both of us without our parents. So I think when we were learning about Kashi and about this place, we also learned a little bit about ourselves.
Yeah.
And I think we might have some changes when we go back. We are not sure.
And I think this can be the best way to explain the motto of Om Mahashakti organization, which just simply says or talks about self-realization. Self-realization meaning over here doesn't mean just about the spiritual self-realization, but also self-realization of about how you experience your life, about your personal feelings. So it's a very broad way of talking about self-realization. And though we didn't have that realization spiritually, we definitely did understand ourselves without our parents with us. I can say like.
We would finally like to thank the entire team of Om Mahashakti, especially Pradeep ji and Prashant uncle and the camera crew and all the tourist guides, Jane ji and Ankit ji, for making this possible, making us feel comfortable, and also helping us to learn so many things in such a short span of time.
It was a trip of, not a trip, it was a journey of 3 nights and 4 days, but we surely felt amazing. And we also felt like we don't want to leave Kashi and not go back to the
Monotonous
life of studying, but still we have to experience it. We may use the words experience a lot because what we experienced is more than just an experience. So yeah, that is it. Har Har Mahadev.
Mahadev.